Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine tools feature number 9, voice typing, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Tools and click on Voice Typing, the microphone to the left appears. If I had never clicked on this microphone before, a pop-up menu like the image on this screen would appear requesting permission to use my microphone. Since I have used voice typing before, all I have to do is click to speak. Now, when I speak, the document will transcribe what I want it to transcribe. Period. New line. To stop voice typing, all I had to do was click on the microphone again. If I need to change the language, I can click on the drop-down menu and select one of the options available. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.